Hey guys, we are back smashing this mini fridge. And yeah, it's a little bit darker than before because I was just too lazy to come back out here.
You mean both of us were too lazy?
Yeah. And we never really found out what's inside that little black container.
When we looked it up, what came up?
It came up with a bunch of Call of Duty stuff.
That's gay. So we're just gonna pop it open and hopefully it's not something that's really explosive. That was a good one.
Let me see.
What?
You barely
missed.
missed.
Dude, I moved it. Oh, dude, I took it out of place. Right there, see?
Yeah, nice.
I'm gonna do it to
Why
the
would
side.
something that would be able to explode be in a fridge, though?
I don't know. Well, you want to come over here because you can see a better view of it.
Okay.
Like, stand right there and look right here. So I'm just gonna... I saw sparks right there. Okay,
Nice.
it's like... I kind of want to take these cords off. So I'm gonna try to hit right there.
Okay.
Right there.
I guess.
I missed.
Well, it's gonna be easier to see your sparks. Maybe.
Hopefully. Ooh.
Got him!
Nope, I missed.
What?
By an inch.
Oh my.
Okay, now I know where to get hit right there. Oh my! You know what? You want to give it a shot?
I'm good.
I'm not gonna hit the cords. I'm just gonna hit the black thing. One second, guys. Hello? Oh. I'm outside.
This is gonna be hard with one.
Ouch. What gas? Yeah. There was a big guy on a motorcycle. Mom? I know.
Oh.
Okay, bye.
Oh.
Sorry, guys. My
You
mom was
destroy
like,
those things.
what? Destroy these?
Okay, let's see this.
I'm getting around it. Ooh. Ooh. One second, guys. What the? There we go. Oh! I know what this is hooked up to, dude. It's the little freezer on the top. So if I lift it up, see?
Yeah, good luck taking that thing out. Let's just explode this black thing.
Okay, let's do that. So I thought that was part of it that made it like... Dude, look at all the installation right there. Lol. Okay, let's get this.
Let's just bury it with dirt.
What?
Just bury it with dirt.
Dude, that's a good idea. Because then, when they build the road here, they'll just find a fridge. I'm just trying to get... this buffered out a little bit.
Use a sledgehammer, buddy.
True.
So you can lift it up. Just kidding.
success.
You have scissors?
No. We have a sledgehammer. You can take that boy out. Whatever this is connected to this. Now we don't know what it is.
Whoa.
Okay. I think we're done with that part right now. Right now we're just gonna hit this up here because it will be easier to hit, you know? Instead of in the dirt and everything all dirt-y. Pun intended. That was a, you know, in golf you miss a few times, you know?
Oh yeah.
That's what I was doing.
I call it a strike, and that's strike one.
Okay, I'm gonna flip it. The other side's been. Look at that. Get close up to that.
Then watch, you're just gonna come and hit this. Snap it in half. Okay, let's see this done.
I swear, what is in there? Oh, is that the battery?
Probably. That thing, is it even hollow?
It might be hollow, dude.
If it's not, then we're just banging out a big piece of metal.
If this is like nothing in it, I'm gonna be so mad. I'm gonna throw this pickaxe at Josh.
And then I'll kill you.
Oh my.
Is this even worth it anymore?
I kind of want to see what's in it.
Do you have a chainsaw?
Yeah, but it won't go through metal.
It's worth a try.
No, it isn't.
Holy crap.
Holy crap, this is freaking strong.
Wait, 1 second. It sounds like 5 feet deep of metal and then something in there.
Dude, this thing is freaking made out of titanium.
Let's go throw it at the road.
Oh, I thought I broke the pickaxe for a second. I wouldn't be surprised. I found this pickaxe on the side of the road.
Really?
Yeah, by the ditch bank over there.
Nice.
If it doesn't do anything, we're just gonna go throw it on the road. Or throw it at the llama.
Hey, I have a question. Are you going to be a plumber when you're older?
Yeah?
That's what I was thinking.
Why?
For no reason.
Tell me.
Okay. Well, look at all those dents.
Okay. If it doesn't break in like 5 more tries, then we're putting it on the road and... Wait, is this stronger than concrete? Like a brick of concrete? Did you stop it?
No.
Oh, look. Oh!
Do you want to sharpen that thing? It can't do jack.
Says the person. His name's Jack. You give it a try.
I'm good.
Fine.
Dude, I can't aim to save my life.
I missed.
Should we just give up with this crap? Go!
See how not sharp it is? Ow. Dude, that's all metal. How do we get that out? Because I still want to keep this to like scooter on it. Oh. Like that. See, now the grill's off.
Now we just dump it out.
Ew, it's all muddy and gross.
Well, we're sort of
Oh, gross.
in a field where there's dirt. So yes.
There's something in it. Let's go throw it at the road. Then we'll take that a little longer, and then we'll go throw it in the ditch if it doesn't do anything. I mean,
Let's go put it in the bottom of a river and wait a few years and then go back to it later. I'd be like, hey, look at this.
didn't even do anything.
Dude, it's getting darker. You can barely see. I honestly have no idea what's in this.
It doesn't even do anything. Guess what?
But
We're going to the ditch to throw all this crap away. And we'll fast travel there in a click.
I can't do that.
I know. I'm making it up, dude. I know you can't fast travel. Because you're losing. I'm like an Enderman in Minecraft. Best video game on the planet.
You and all.
I know. Well, these bottles are
I don't want to walk way over there.
for you guys. So we're just gonna...
Okay.
Okay, guys, I think we're gonna be done with this stupid freaking fridge. 'Cause it's a piece of crap, and we got everything out. I bet it's like really lightweight now, dude. Don't you think?
Probably lighter.
Dude, I can easily take that to the ditch. Okay, guys, we're gonna take this to the ditch. It'll probably be too dark over there, but
Make sure to like and subscribe.
and then comment down below what we should tear apart next, like this piece of freaking crap. Thanks, guys, for watching, and peace out.